Hello guys, this is Om from Civil Raja, your gateway to future. So guys, today we are going to study a 30 feet by 50 feet plan, and as I always say that every plan holds some uniqueness in it. So this plan is also unique because we are going to split this whole plot in two different divisions. So the client approaches us and he said that okay, I want this plot to be splitted between two of my sons, and both the plots should be identically planned. So one of our architect went through it. So I'm just going to check that plan, and now I will also suggest what could have been better in this plan. Okay, so let's see what is his work. Okay, so you can see this is a north facing plan over here, and first of all we will start with the ground floor, then we will go for the first floor, and after that we will also discuss the elevation of the plan. Okay, so you can see this horizontal dimension over here is 30 feet. That means this building or this plot is having 30 feet of the front. And the vertical one, that means the sides of the plot are of 50 feet. Okay. So there is a single internal wall that has been provided over here in this plan or to this building. Okay, now you can see that all the walls are having same thickness. So when you have a smaller front, then you can go with a internal wall dimension. So somewhere it is 5 inches, somewhere it is 4 inches. Okay, so that depends upon the dimension of the brick also. So in this area 4 inches wall is being used, so we have planned it according to that. So wherever you are in India, we can plan a building according to your requirements. So you can also approach us, and our number is there in the description. It's 8433248864. So you can approach us to like plan your building. Now you can see for this north facing like building, we have started like this. So both the units are identical. I will read out the left one and you will easily understand the right one. Okay. So here is our gate, which is 8 feet wide, a spacious one. Okay, then we have also provided a porch area of 14 feet 14 feet 6 inches by 11 feet 10 inches, which is too spacious to park one four-wheeler and two to three two-wheelers over here. Then you can see we have a drawing room, or you can also call it a hall, which is of 10 feet 2 inches by 10 feet 8 inches. Again, a standard size hall. Okay, so even if you have a small front, then you can go with a spacious like internal area like this, or you can also say that you can get maximum of your carpet area. Then just as you will just pass through this hall, you will go to the dining come living area over here, and you will find the staircase just from here. Now you can see on the right we have our plan layout, on the left we have our furniture layout. So there is a difference between that. So furniture layout is something in which we already place the furniture so that we can easily identify how much space we have for the movement and which will be the right place to place our furnitures. Okay, so whenever you are like approaching any architect, just ask him to give you the furniture layout and not just the plan layout. Okay, so that will help you to visualize your house. Now you can see you can use this staircase to reach out to the next floor, which is first floor in our case, because this is a G+1 building. And just beneath this staircase we have our utility area, and you can see this is of 2 feet 6 inches, which is quite enough for this. Now you can see we have our toilet, and toilet is having the dimension of 4 feet by 7 feet 6 inches, and that is quite a good internal dimension for the toilet also. Then once you will move from here, you will find the kitchen over here. Now this kitchen couldn't have much space over here, so what we done, we have placed the fridge outside the kitchen, and this corner is easily accommodating that. And then we had this whole slab of 2 feet 6 inches wide, and that slab is 12 feet long because the kitchen dimension is also over here 5 feet 4 inches by 12 feet. So you can easily access the kitchen over here. Now we cannot like go for like slab on two different sides, but we can go like this. Okay, so this is quite a good approach, and I really appreciate the architect of this plan. Okay, now this kitchen is also opening into this wash area, which is like having the dimension of 10 feet by 4 feet. Again, a quite wide wash area over here, and this is also opening to the storeroom, which is 4 feet 2 inches by 4 feet. Then we will see that just beside our kitchen we have our bedroom, and this bedroom is holding the dimension of 8 feet 10 inches by 12 feet. Now, normally, if the shorter dimension of the room is of 10 feet, then that room is considered to be a big room. But this, like a whole thing, is holding a small front. That's why we cannot go for that. Okay, so even 8 feet of 10 inches by 12 feet is a good space that this architect has planned over here. Okay, so I just um, appreciate this effort. Okay, now you can see we have read out the ground floor. Now we have to read the first floor. Whenever we have to read the first floor, we will always take our stairs to reach to the first floor. Okay, so you can see I am going from here, and through this stair I will reach to the first floor over here. And you can see in the front we have a bedroom of 14 feet 6 inches by 10 feet 4 inches. Then we have a wide balcony, because this balcony is having the carpet area of 7 feet 2 inches by 6 feet 4 inches. And this bedroom is not just a simple bedroom, it is a master bedroom with the attached toilet of dimension 7 feet by 4 feet 6 inches. Again, a good space for the toilet. Then we can see on this direction we have again a door, and this door is opening to a bedroom which is 11 feet 2 inches by 11 feet 8 inches. And again, this is a master bedroom, so the attached toilet is of 4 feet by 7 feet 2 inches, and it is also getting a big open terrace area. So this is bigger than the what we have in the front. Okay, so you can easily compare over here. And then this is a like simple rectangle or a square shape that you are identifying over here. So what is this one? This is the roof of the storeroom. Okay, so guys, that was all for the plan. Now if you want to make such plan, then you can also join our batch. Okay, and if you want to just learn the AutoCAD, then you can join our Civil Raja app. I have already completed the whole course of the AutoCAD that is required by civil engineers or the architects over there, and you can simply install the app and start learning from there. Now, for the live classes, you can just call on 8433248864. You will also find the number in the description. Now, we are going to read out the elevation over here. So, you can see this is our elevation, and this elevation is quite impressive. I'm not reading the second half of this like plan, because both are identical. The left and the right portion are identical on both the floors. That means the ground floor and the first floor. Okay, then you can see over here in the elevation portion, I will just read out the left portion. So we have the door over here, then we have a window, and then we have this ventilator that was provided in the toilet area. So you can just read it in the relation with the like what we call balcony over here. Okay, now you can see here is the ventilation for the toilet on the first floor. Then this is the balcony area or the open terrace area that you can see over here, and this is the parapet wall, and which is using the square pipes over here. Then this elevation is quite good, and this is the impressive work, and you can simply use the groovings over here to make this look good. And if you'll just use a gray color, then that will just add up to it. Then you can see we have a sunk circle over here. That means this area will be vacant, and this will again add up to the beauty of your building. And this is the brickwork over here. Then here we have the box design, and then you can see we have this sunshade over here, which you also call as chhaja. Okay, then for the ventilation of the toilet, this is the ventilator. Okay, now here is the slab lever over here, and this is the around the circle. We have this embossed plaster putty. Okay, so this is the next slab level, which is of RBC. Okay, now that is all about the elevation, and I personally like the elevation. So on total, for the arrangement of the rooms and everything, I will rate this plan as 8 on 10. Okay, now what could have been better in this plan? So that is one thing that will be my input over here. So you can just extend this wall over a little bit over here, and so that you can just like provide a passage to this area also, and it can also be used as the open terrace area over here. And this can be used like whenever you require extra space in your building. Okay, or you can this is the second suggestion, or you can simply shift this toilet to this end and use the front area as the open terrace area. That would have been a better arrangement over here. Then you will not have to add up any of the space over here, and with the same materials that you are using to construct your building, you can get more space over here. Okay, so these are the two suggestions that you can use. And with this, I'm just going to end the session. So, guys, if you have liked the session, hit the like button, share it with your friends and colleagues, and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and press the bell icon beside that so that you can be notified whenever we are uploading a new video for you. So, guys, we will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you, guys.